What's up, Hair Business Blueprint? It's your hair business's best friend, Mikey. And today I'm going to show you how quick and simply you can start selling the now so popular tape-in hair extensions. So this is just my private label test store. I just do a bunch of random things on here. So if it looks crazy or something looks messed up, don't take it too seriously. I just do testing here. So I have the Dropship Beauty Shopify app already installed in the store. I'm going to click that. As you can see here, if you're used to Dropship Beauty, the previous version, this looks a lot different because we completely rebuilt this from the ground up. It's super fast, super easy to use. These are just some of the select cards. It kind of just looks like Shopify does. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to the product section. And right now we want to search tape-ins. So you can just search tape. And you'll see there's a couple different tape-ins here. We already have some of these in our import list, but let's say we wanted to add this one here, a Kinky Curly. Let me show you how easy it is to start selling these. So we're gonna add it to the import list. We're gonna go to the import list. You can see here we have a couple different variations. These are my absolute, okay, I wouldn't say the raw ones are my absolute favorite, but honestly, they are my favorite. I do love the kinky textures, but the quality of the raw ones is just absolutely amazing, and everyone that's used them love them. So, but we do have some different textures available. So let's just say we wanted to add some kinky curly tape and extensions to the website. We have a couple different options here. So the website is already set to, I believe, like a 1.5 or 1.6 multiplier. But a new feature, and when I say multiplier, it takes your cost and it'll automatically multiply the price for you. But let's just say we wanted to raise it up a little bit more. Let's say 1.9. We can click Apply Price Multiplier, and you'll see what happens. It starts at $199.50. This is your cost, that's your profit, and then it already calculates your gross margin. It does all the work for you, all the math for you to make this really, really simple. It already has the description in there, so if you want to go in there and change the description, that's fine. Okay, so you can go here, and we don't have tape-ins as a collection. We actually have a new feature coming to Shopify that is to Dropship Beauty, that's going to allow you to create a Shopify collection within the Dropship Beauty app. That's going to be an upcoming video, I'm already guessing. I know the feature because we've been working on it. It just hasn't been released yet. So I'm just going to add this to a homepage collection, which isn't something normally you would do, well, unless you want to feature it on the homepage and it's one of the collections on the homepage. But this is just to show you how quick and easy this is. So I'm going to click Import to Shopify. And what this is going to do, it's going to add to a queue and add it to the import list here. It's going to add it to the queue of products that are going to be imported, because sometimes if you're importing multiple products at once, it's going to take a few minutes to import those. So you can see here, you can re-import it if you want to make some changes. Let's go here, details, kinky curly tape-ins. So let's see here. If I go to the website and we can see what this looks like. Okay. And this is, like I said, just for fun here. Now let's find tape-in extensions. We can find it there. So kinky curly tape-in extensions. You can see that just in seconds, you are able to sell the kinky curly tape-in extensions just like this. It has the photo. You can select the length. You have the price. You already know what your profit's going to be. It already has the description. Now, what I normally would say is to go in and update the product description, make it a little sassy, a little bit fun. That works out really well. But we can go back here, and just to show you once again how incredibly easy this is, we can go back here, raw tape-ins, if we wanted to go here. Let's go ahead and select that. And let's say we wanted to apply the multiplier 2x. So you can see here, so 198. You can make a 50% gross margin on this without even ever touching the product. That's fantastic. So just click Import to Shopify, and it goes into the queue. and then it's going to be imported into the website in just a second. So if I go back here and let's see how fast we can get that. Search for tape. It's probably going to take a second. Now, I know you see this logo up here, Tequila Bundles. That's just for fun because I love tequila. Who doesn't love tequila? But it's going to take a second to import in there. And so what you can do is go back here to products. And let's just say that you wanted to quickly change something with this. Let's see here, re-import the Kinky Curly. So say you go here and you want to make some changes. Let's say that you only wanted to make it 1.5 and you wanted to quickly do this. You can apply price multiplier, re-import to Shopify. And what that's going to do is it's going to go ahead and update the site for you, your website for you, which is pretty awesome. So I can refresh here and let's see, it re-imported it and it put it on sale now. So that way, you can give your customers a discount really fast. But let's just go back here, roll straight tape and extensions. As you can see, this really only takes seconds with the Dropship Beauty Shopify app. Now we have a lot of updates coming to the Dropship Beauty Shopify app that I'm going to go over here in due time. But since the tape and extensions are such a hot product right now in the market, I wanted to make sure that I showed you how incredibly easy it is to sell tape and hair extensions with the Dropship Beauty Shopify app. I can even tell you we have some beautiful blonde tape and extensions coming and also a raw body wave tape and extension coming. So these are some additional products that are coming to Dropship Beauty. And since we just finished updating the whole entire Dropship Beauty system, I'm going to be having a bunch of tutorials here on the Hair Business Blueprint channel to show you exactly how to use it. I'm going to keep you updated with all the new products. So make sure that you have subscribed to the Hair Business Blueprint, my channel. I'm going to show you how to run, market, manage everything for your hair business absolutely for free on my Hair Business Blueprint YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure you subscribed, give me a thumbs up, and I'll have another video for you soon.